What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Fantastic Fillmores. We are back with another banger. About to go drop some really good content today, man. Guess what's happening in Texas right now? It is snowing. Yes, we about to go play in the snow?
Uh-huh.
What you gonna do? You gonna build a snowman?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So, yeah, we about to get down with it. You know what I'm saying? Throw some snowballs. I heard some other kids out there. I don't know if they're in the area. Regular.
Why does it have to be in the picture?
Well, I thought I heard some kids.
Is it going to be my kids? 2 kids in my head? My kids is all my friends.
But yeah, it rarely snows here in Texas. Hold on, baby. Hold on. It rarely snows here in Texas. So when we get snow, we like to go out and just like have a ball. You know what I'm saying? And plus, we don't get to go to work. Yeah. So we just going to be here cooped up in the house for the next 2 days anyway. So let's go have a blast.
Why is that?
Why who?
Why does it 3 kids they running skirt and running the tree?
Oh, yeah?
They just want to scare the squares.
Okay. So look, all right, y'all, we're going to wrap this up and we about to head outside. We're going to have a blast, man. So y'all get ready. Y'all get ready. Let's go. Daddy. Yeah. You got all this play area. Look at all this. Jane Brown. Hey, you better back off. I caught him. Get my man, attack. What did you throw? Air? What is that? No! We just got through round 1 of Texas Snow Day. And you know what? This is not fun. This little girl done chased me. Look at my clothes. Look at me. I'm flabbergasted. She done chased me. I done failed twice, not once, but twice. Trying to dodge her snowballs. It's all good though, because I'm gonna get her later. This way, get upstairs. Get upstairs. I'm mad at you. Yeah, I don't like her right now. Oh man, I'm about to go up here in this house, try to find an extra hoodie, because it's cold, man. It's cold. It's cold, baby?
Mm-hmm.
Say hi.
Hi.
All right, y'all, we'll be right back. Yeah, we just got through strolling, man, walking around. We done fell and bust our booties. Baby done got cold. Look at her. My baby said, Daddy, it's cold. Can you carry me? Here, we gotta put you.
It is cold.
Her nose all running. Come on, let's get you upstairs.
Guys, so we finally got our car warmed up, and we are heading to Target just to get some food. They have any because in Texas, when it starts snowing, people like to pack up on food. So I'm hoping they have some left. I just want a sandwich. I want a grilled cheese sandwich. That's what I want, so that's what I came here for. So I'm just hoping they have food left. But yeah, we're here at Target. And it took us like 30 minutes to get our car warmed up and the ice off the windows. So yeah, but we're about to head in and we'll catch y'all back.
Oh yeah.
Taska loca. They all there.
Okay. Hot dogs. They took all the good ones. So I guess I'm gonna go for these. I might make chili cheese dogs tonight. Hey guys, so we're back home and my lips look dry. My lips have been dry because it's cold weather. They look pretty rough. But what I was trying to say is we're back home and I got everything I need to get. They had a lot of stuff in stock, but then they also didn't have a lot of stuff in stock. A lot of the aisles were empty, but there was workers there and they were trying to restock, so that's good. We're back home and I'm making grilled cheese sandwiches for everyone. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now, and we're putting away groceries. So yeah, I'm just super hungry, and then I'm just glad to be home where it's warm and the lights are on this time. But I'm gonna start making these grilled cheese sandwiches, and then I'll catch you back with you guys later.
Yes, we are.